everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's super casual. I don't have no makeup on, just a casual video. I have another haul from Amazon. This time I have some shorts picked out. I've never been that much of a shorts person. I never really liked to show my legs. But now I just really don't care. It's been in triple digits here in sunny California where I am, and I just don't feel like wearing jeans all the time. So I think I have maybe like 2 pairs of shorts in my drawer. So I picked a few out and a few tops that I thought went with them. I'm by no means a fashion expert at all. My closet consists of jeans and t-shirts and maybe a handful of dresses. So we are going to try on some shorts and a couple tops and see what I think. Okay, so we're going to start off with these shorts. These are from the Amazon brand. They are the Amazon Essential Chino shorts. They are 3.5 inch inseam. They are the black ones with this cute little flower daisy print on it. They got back pockets. Not very big, so you really wouldn't be able to fit anything in them. And the front pockets are a little bit bigger. I did get a size 6. They are pretty soft to the touch. They are quite comfortable. They have a few other colors. Okay, so then this shirt is just a basic white tank top. It is a V-neck. It is very stretchy, and it does, it's quite long, so it'll cover you behind if you would want. It is a rayon blend. It does come in a couple other colors, not very many. I did get a size medium. Cute, basic tank top to have in your closet. A lighter material, so it would be good for really hot weather. Okay, so the next pair of shorts are these Lee brand. They are a mid-rise cargo short. They have a 6-inch inseam. I did get the lavender color, which is a very pale purple. They look a little more purple on the website, but they are in fact a very lighter purple. They've got deeper pockets on the back. Yes, they still have the tags on because I didn't want to take tags off until I see if they fit or not. They are very comfortable. You've got your cargo pockets. The pockets on the front are a little tight though, but they are pretty comfortable, and I do like the length of them. And I did get a size 6 if I didn't say that. The shirt, it's cute. It is stretchy. It's a cotton tee V-neck. It's got the cute cuff sleeves with button on it. I'm not quite sure how I feel about the stripes. I'm not that much of a stripe person either. It is a good length, although it's not going to cover you bottom. It is very stretchy as well. It does come in quite a few other colors. This one I did get a size medium. Got the cute little cuffs and button on there. Oh, I did forget to mention on the shorts, so it's got the button and the zipper in the front, but the back is elastic, so it does stretch a little bit. So all in all, the shirt is cute. I'm not completely in love with it though. Okay, so for the last pair of shorts, these are the high-waisted ruffle trim beach shorts. They do have pockets that comes in 4 colors. I got the beige color, I think they are. They are a little on the baggy side. They are a very soft and flowy material. So they are good for summer. They kind of remind me of shorts that I had when I was a little girl. They've got elastic waist, so they are quite stretchy, and then they got this tie on the front. It's just decorative, although it's super long. But they are cute. I did get a size medium. I'm not sure if I said that. These are a size medium. I might have been able to go with a size small, but I didn't want them to be too short. But they are cute and very feminine with the ruffles. Okay, so for the top, this is the keyhole peasant top with a bubble bottom. It does have elastic all the way around. This is the ivory color. It's got the tie on the top, so you can, leave it untied or tied. It is a little sheer, but not too bad. And I didn't notice when I was looking at the pictures that the sleeves do have the little slit in them, which is kind of cute. Not too much, just a little bit. So it does show a little bit of your arms. The material is very nice. It could be worn casual or dressy. Elastic all the way around. So then you can tuck it in or lift it up and it will stay there with that elastic. It's got elastic around the neck part. Very cute. It does come in a few other colors. I did get a size medium. Not sure if I said that. But it is pretty flowy and very cute. Good for summer. So that is my shorts that I bought from Amazon. I think this top is very cute. It's very feminine and flowy. I like it. So if you are interested in any of these items, I will leave the links down below in the description. Consider subscribing if you like Amazon hauls. I do some recipes as well, and just a little bit of everything. Maybe not everything, but a few things. So consider subscribing, hit that like button, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.